Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall Comodo Internet Security from your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to see your view by the large icons, and then select Programs and Features. Anything with Comodo in the name of it can be removed, including Internet Security Essentials. So that's the first one I'm going to remove here, and then I'm going to select Uninstall. Select Yes. Select the Uninstall button. Select Next. And then I'm not going to provide any feedback, and just let it continue here. Select I will restart later. And now you want to do the same thing for the other Comodo options in here too. So I'm going to do the Secure Shopping next. I'm going to select Uninstall. And then we're going to select Postpone for the restart function. And then we're going to also finally, and then we're going to do the Comodo drag in here, so we're going to uninstall that. I'm going to select Other, and then Next. It appears it makes you actually type something here, so I'm just going to just type a bunch of random numbers here. I'm going to select Uninstall, and then select Finish. And now we're going to do the same thing for the Comodo Internet Security Suite. I'm going to uninstall, select Yes. I'm going to select Uninstall. I want to permanently remove it. I'm going to select Other, and then uninstall. I'm going to appears to be getting some sort of notification here. I'm just going to run unlimited. Doesn't matter to me. And that's pretty much it. Select finish, and I'm going to restart my computer here. And there we go, guys. Simple as that. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.